Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of these earrings I have. And I have this spiral crochet earring and another version of the spiral crochet earring and just some simple circular earrings. So today I'll be making this set and I'll show you how to do so. So what you'll need a scissors, your hook, and today I'm using a 0.75 mm, if you can see that. The yarn that I'll use, pliers, and some earring hooks and the earring box, as well as the circular part of it. Now I'll link these in the description bar below. I got them off Amazon and it has several different color hooks, as well as the connectors. You have the small one and you also have the bigger ones, which is nice, and also the different type of earring box. And these for your comfort, or you have the metal and the plastic ones. So I'll link this in the description bar below, and also the yarns that I have. Now to get started, what you'll need is to make a magic circle, and what we're going to do is to chain 3, and then we're going to make 19 double crochets in the magic circle. So I have my 19 double crochets and the chain 3, which would make it 20. So that's how it looks so far. Now we're just going to pull it tighter so that we have the circle. Now what we're going to do is to make a slip stitch to the starting chain that we have, and what you'll do is to make a slip stitch in this first double crochet chain right here. So after you make your slip knot, we're going to chain 3 and make a double crochet in all the double crochets that we have in the first row. So in all we had the 19 stitches, that 20 stitches, that's 19 double crochet, and the chain 1, the chain 3, which will be 20. So we will have 40 double crochets, including this chain 3 in all when we're finished. So you make your double crochets, 2 double crochets in each stitch that we made before. So just to check, as I mentioned before, you should have 20 including the chain 3 double crochets. So I'm just going to check how many I have to see if I need more or not. So I need 2 more double crochets to have my 40 double crochets in all. So at the end, what I'll do is to make a slip knot at the beginning chain right here, double crochet, and that's it. So because we're making the first part of it, which is like this, now we're going to make the picot stitches, and to do so, in the next double crochet we are going to make 1 single crochet, and then in the next double crochet we're going to make another single crochet, but we're going to chain 3 and start our picot. So that's the pattern that we're going to follow. It's a bit tricky. So what we're going to do is to chain 1 in the next stitch, but chain up 3. So basically chain 1 picot, chain 1 picot, chain 1 picot until we're at the end. I'll show you how you'll finish this top piece. So you can continue with your chain 1, and then you make your picot stitch in the next double crochet. So now that I'm at the end, your work should look something like this, and we're going to finish it off. What I'll do is to turn my work on the opposite side. Now we'll find the center, well, the next stitch that we would have made another single crochet. What we're going to do is to take our hook and push through that section, bring this, attach it to the hook and pull so it's tightened. Bring it at the back and chain 1, and then you'll cut your work and pull. And this is how it should look. So this is how it should look. Now what we're going to do is to make the second part of it, which is the back, well, the second portion. To do so, we'll start the same by making a magic circle and start with the same chain 3 and make 19 double crochets in the magic circle. So after we're finished, we're going to make a slip knot in the first double crochet that we made to connect each side. And what we're going to do now is to chain 3, chain 1 more double crochet, and make a double crochet in the double crochet that we started out with. So we chain 1 and make a double crochet. So the pattern is to chain 1 make a double crochet. We're not going to skip these spaces, we're just going to make extra space in this row. So we chain 1 and then insert with a double crochet. So when you're finished, it should look something like this, and if you'd like to check, you should have 20 double crochets. So I have my 20s, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect with a slip stitch to the other side. So remember, we started with the chain 1, so we just need to find the chain 3 that we made from before. So you can count and see where you have your chain 3. You make the slip knot. Oops. Alright, so remember to chain 1 and then find the chain 3 and make your slip knot. Now for our third row, we're going to chain 3 and make a double crochet in each space. So right in this space, you're going to make a double crochet, 2 double crochets, and you repeat that until you've completed this row. So you're going to make 2 double crochets in every space that we made in the second row. Now that I'm at the end, we're going to do the same and to make our slip stitch at the end to connect each side. So this is how it should look so far, and now we're just going to repeat the picot pattern. We're going to make a single crochet in the next stitch and then another single crochet, but in that one we're going to chain 3 and make our picot stitch. So we're going to chain 1, and then in the next stitch we chain 1 but chain up additional 3 chains and make our picot stitch. So we'll continue that pattern until we're at the end, and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so this is the second piece, and what we're going to do to end, just turn, insert our hook in the next stitch, insert the loop across and pull, and just pull through, and we'll make a single crochet and cut our yarn. And this is how it looks. So we've made all 4 pieces, and what we would normally do is to make a mixture of glue and water, and we'll dip each piece into that mixture and lay them out flat in the sun to dry. Now for video purposes, we're going to use some that I had before, and these are the ones that I made. They're not the same sizes, but just for the video purpose I'll show you how to assemble them. What I'll do next is to decide which color hooks I'll like to use. These green earrings, crochet earrings, I'll use silver. So all I need to do is to get 2 hooks as you can see, the earring box. Alright, so the first thing we'll need to do is to open the rings so that we can connect the two pieces together. And to do so, I'll just simply use the pliers and hold it and just pull it like this. Now I'll make sure that I put the opposite sides together like this, and just to line it up so that I have a space that I can join the two pieces together. So now that they're together, all I need to do is just to adjust this and close with the pliers. And I'll just do that by squeezing it together. And that's it. It's now connected. So now what we're going to do, we can have it either way. We're going to open this loop on the earring. So with your hook, you're going to open the hook like so, and then find the middle of the earring where you have this middle piece, the ring that we have, and ensure that it is in the center of where we want to put the hooks. You insert, and then we close the hook with the pliers, and that's it. Your very own crochet earring. So that is it, and these are how the earring look when it's finished. So it'll look the same when you're finished. So remember, all you need to do is to make your solution with 2 parts water and 1 part glue. Mix them together and submerge your piece in it, and then allow it to sun dry, and you'll just do the same as I showed you now. So in the next video, I'll show you how to make the spiral crochet earrings, and this one that I have that is unfinished as well. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.